English Journey: The Restoration in the UK's History. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into a fascinating period of British history known as the Restoration. This was a time of great change and evolution for the United Kingdom. Let's explore what happened during this period and why it's so significant. The term, the Restoration, refers to the period in the history of England, Scotland, and Ireland when the monarchy was restored. This was after the nation had undergone a series of political changes, civil wars, and a republic phase under Oliver Cromwell. In 1660, King Charles II was invited to return from exile and take the throne. His return marked the end of the republic and the beginning of a restored monarchy. The name, Restoration, signifies the restoration of the monarchy. During the 1640s and 1650s, the UK experienced civil wars that saw a major shift in power. Oliver Cromwell, a prominent military and political leader, played a key role in these events. After the execution of King Charles I, the monarchy was abolished and a republic, known as the Commonwealth, was established. However, the republic faced many problems. After Cromwell's death in 1658, there was political instability and a growing desire among many to see the monarchy restored. 1. The return of Charles II, 1660. After spending years in exile, Charles II was welcomed back to England with joy and celebration. 2. The Great Plague, 1665. This devastating event affected London, causing a significant number of deaths. However, the monarchy stayed intact and helped manage the crisis. 3. The Great Fire of London, 1666. Just a year after the plague, a massive fire consumed a large part of London. This event led to major reconstruction efforts in the city. 4. The Habeas Corpus Act, 1679. This important piece of legislation safeguarded individual freedoms, ensuring that no one could be imprisoned without just cause. The Restoration was not just about bringing back the monarchy. It had deep cultural and social impacts as well. 1. Arts and literature. The Restoration period saw a revival in the arts, especially theatre. Many famous playwrights, like William Congreve and John Dryden, emerged during this time. 2. Religious tolerance. There was a greater push for religious freedoms and tolerance during this period, although tensions still existed between various religious groups. 3. Political stability. With the return of the monarchy, England found a semblance of stability. This paved the way for the evolution of the constitutional monarchy that exists in the UK today. We've journeyed through the pivotal era of the Restoration, a time of significant change and resilience for the United Kingdom. From the return of kings to the emergence of cultural renaissance, this period has left an indelible mark on British history. We hope you found this exploration enlightening and that it helps you in your quest to understand English-speaking cultures better. Until next time, happy learning!